I don't know. I don't think the car's called that out. You got to get every tell
Wonder Wheel. Where is it? The Wonder Wheel.
here, but then
Not the one with back and forth.
No? You do one on the station.
I'm going to just do.
To talk about.
That's the plan.
Here we go.
Hey, it's Manhattan.
Hey! At least not when I see him when I die.
Who's gonna die?
It rolled and it coasted.
It's a roller coaster.
Is that the river or is that like the actual ocean?
That's the actual ocean.
Okay.
I think the land is distance. It's either New Jersey or Staten Island.
Interesting. Well, I guess she's not over here, but
Oh, the Liberty lady?
yeah. Look, Lady Liberty.
Yeah.
That's her name.
Yeah, she's way over there, I think.
That might be that.
That thing out there?
Oh, no, she's over there. She's beyond the entrance of the port.
Would love to see her one day.
Yes, that land over there is New Jersey. New Jersey is my land?
Why would you want New Jersey? I'm sorry.
Exactly.
Jersey, go follow the ocean.
Yeah, you see Manhattan. Lady Liberty is like that way.
Like behind Manhattan.
Well, it's at the tip of Manhattan.
Okay.
More of
Yeah, from
Fair enough.
Liberty,
not the harbor.
I want to definitely stop it.
Yeah, do we want to go to the harbor or the harbor? The harbor has good clam chowder.
Sorry, Joe.
Just gonna roll back and forth all the way down.
How exciting! I can hardly keep my containment.
that goes behind it.
The slingshot? Well, there's the slingshot launches you up, and then there's the steeplechase. Wait,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
howdy.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Oh, Dad!
Okay, ready then.
Oh, look at that beautiful the tour of the cyclone. Oh, I can do that one.
Well, I do more than just certain drinks that I run. I run rides, I do retail, I do catering, warehouse.
Do everything.
Yeah, outdoor events. Anything you ever think of. You ask me, I would probably say yes to do it.
So you're just like their very important employee.
Yes. So, yeah.
Oh, there goes the map people. Orange shirt. Oh, there goes the rest. Paris. There's Jim.
Straight nation for trail.
No. No, I don't see Big Maria. Oh,
All good? Yeah, we're good.
that was a lot of fun.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Can you hear me?
So, is there chairs for them?
See, those are the nice chairs.
Yeah, the ones.
See there?